Hi everyone, we've got a quick bread and butter job today. I'm out here to spread a load of 57 gravel for a client and I'm getting paid $400 for what should be about half a day's work. I've already prepped the area and it's ready to go, so the goal here is pure efficiency. I've got my mini skid steer and a bucket. People always ask if these small machines are worth the investment, but yes, while watching how fast this pile disappears at 4 times speed should give you your answer. Let's get to work. I'm starting with the main pile. When you're working with number 57 gravel, you want to be careful not to churn the dirt underneath the pile as it gets low. I like to keep my bucket just a hair off the ground to keep the stone clean. With the mini skid, it's all about cycle time. I'm dropping the stone in small manageable heaps rather than one big dump. This makes the final leveling much easier because the machine doesn't have to work as hard to push a massive weight. I'm basically dotting the area with gravel so I can just smooth it over in the next step. Okay, we got a parking spot now for the Toyota Tacoma and 2 cars. It looks really good. We got about 3 inches of gravel on the bottom here. It looks really good. So this was about 20 tons of gravel. We pretty much dug up the base layer using the hydro bucket, and also I used the land plane to level out the dirt first before I actually started. And I also brought the stump bucket to see if there was any roots in here actually, because I wasn't sure if there was going to be any roots in here. But this is the pile of dirt that we're going to be left with right here. The homeowner is going to take care of this. He's got some holes to fill out. But overall, the CTX 160 today did pretty good, just leveling this ground right here. So, all right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.